guys, welcome back to the channel. And the new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. My existing members, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for sticking it through me and for watching my videos and commenting. So I am wearing another fit and flare dress. It's a little bit longer than what we like, but that's what I got. And I am wearing some fishnet stockings under. I'm wearing some black strappy heels on my toes. And this is another one that's very, very nice. And in case anybody wondering, this is a size 10. So yeah, I thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos and for liking, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please share the videos, comment, and like the videos. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever it is that you feel. And please do share the videos as well. And check out my other platforms. I'm trying to build up my TikTok so I can get that monetized as well. If you guys can go over there and just subscribe to that. There's a link in my bio. I would appreciate that tremendously. And I do have other platforms for any of you that are interested in seeing a little bit more. Hello to Germany, France, Russia, Italy, Brazil, Greece, I want to say, England, Croatia, Scotland, and all of the other ones that I have forgotten. Please do not hold that against me. I do think of you guys. I just can't remember all of the countries. Also, somebody brought to my attention that I am not replying to comments. I reply to comments every day. I'm not sure if there are comments that I'm not getting. I think that what's happening is if someone comments under somebody else's comment, then it doesn't come to me, and I don't have that unless I go through all the video comments. Some of the videos do have a lot of comments, and at times I don't have a chance to go through them all. I do go through comments daily, various times during the day, so that I can get everyone replied. If I do not reply for some reason, don't think that I am not, it's because I'm ignoring you. It's not. Let me know that I didn't shout you out, and I will definitely look for that comment to reply. Tell me if you guys like the dress. It's a black flower dress. I love flowers, spring, and this is one of them. This does not have pockets, so it's more of a flare than the other ones. The ones that have a pocket are less flare. These are more flowy. The other ones are a little bit more snug to the body. And the stockings, so I got that from Steinmart. My stockings are from Amazon. My shoes are from, I think they're from Steinmart as well. I used to go to Steinmart like every week, and then they closed the one near me, so I haven't shopped there for a long time, but I got like every flare dress that they had, pretty much. So that's why I have so many dresses. And I know that we all like short dresses. I have ordered some more. Hopefully they'll come in a week or two. So I will display those once I get them. And yeah, it's getting a little bit starting to cool down here in Florida. Our days are getting shorter too, even though my days here are longer probably than most. But our days are getting shorter, and it's kind of a little bit windy, which feels nice because it's usually very muggy. I think we do have some hurricanes out in the Gulf of Mexico, I believe. But it's been nice. All day today I did a lot of photo shoots for the other platforms. I'm super tired from doing that. If you guys want to go check that out. my subscribers, my subscribers for here, my members only, please be patient with me. Like I said, I am putting content on there slowly but surely. I started a lot of different platforms, so I have to, takes me a little bit to catch up, but I will definitely put stuff on there for you guys. I appreciate all of you guys supporting my channel and sharing my channel. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go feed my dogs now, give them their dinner, and then I'm gonna go chillax. Actually, I will check on your comments, and then we'll see each other tomorrow. I only loaded one video today. I'll see if I can load another one later on. Alright, well, let me know if you guys like my outfit today. Let me know so far, which ones do you guys prefer? I think we've been doing this for like a week, a little bit over a week. So far, which one is your bet? Which one is the one you love the most? Let me know. Let me know. Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Yeah. So very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. All right, guys. Well, I will see you on the next one. I will, if I don't upload something today, I definitely will do tomorrow. Thank you so much for everything you guys do. Thank you for liking my video.